Alright, so you've got TrendScore loaded up in your favorites. Good. Today I'm walking you through the multi-time frame strategy that's been absolutely crushing it for our community. I'm going to show you how to read trend strength the way professionals do it and how to filter out those weak setups that just burn through capital. Let's get into it. TrendScore measures trend quality and conviction in a way that goes beyond what most oscillators can tell you. Here's what we're covering today. First, how to properly read the signals because there are some important details most traders overlook. Then the multi-time frame framework. I'll show you 4-hour, 40-minute, and 3-minute as an example, but this approach works with any time frame combination that fits your trading style. I'll also show you how to use TrendScore alongside signal wave for better trade filtering, including how to spot hidden divergences between the two. And finally, live examples on ES and NQ so you can see exactly how this plays out in real market conditions. The core framework is flexible. Higher timeframes give you macro bias, intermediate timeframes confirm structure, and lower timeframes give you precision entries. The execution, though, that's where most people mess up. So let me break down what you're actually looking at. TrendScore gives you a quantitative reading of trend strength. Positive values indicate bullish momentum, negative values indicate bearish momentum. But the real value is in understanding the quality behind those moves. This metrics panel on the right is basically your dashboard. You've got the raw score, signal state, efficiency ratio, fractal dimension. These are measurements that help you understand not just direction, but the actual quality of the trend you're looking at. These threshold levels are your decision zones. When TrendScore breaks above the bull threshold, you're seeing initial bullish conviction. Hit that strong bull zone, now you're looking at serious momentum that tends to sustain itself. When you see quantum bull or quantum bear states, those are your high probability signals. The market isn't just trending, it's trending with real conviction behind it, the kind of moves that actually follow through. Most retail traders stick to one time frame and wonder why they keep getting whipsawed. We're going multi-frame. I'll use 4-hour, 40-minute, and 3-minute as examples, but you can adapt this to whatever time frame combination works for your style. Quick tip, I personally like using Heiken Ashi candles on the higher time frames because they smooth out the noise and give you better trend clarity. Step 1. Establish your macro bias on your highest time frame. For this example, the 4-hour trend score shows me the overall trend quality and market structure. With Heiken Ashi, you can see the trend direction even cleaner. What I'm seeing right now, I especially increase for meteorologicals with this new Weln time. This gives me my directional framework for the entire session. If I'm seeing strong bullish readings on the 4-hour, I'm not even looking at short setups on lower time frames. That's how you avoid fighting the bigger trend. Step 2. Intermediate confirmation on your middle time frame. The 40-minute here bridges your macro view with your execution time frame. I'm looking for TrendScore to confirm the 4-hour bias while giving me more detailed structure. Step 3. Precision timing on your execution time frame. When all your time frames align, that's when you execute. Higher time frame gives bias, middle time frame confirms structure, and execution time frame shows entry signals. That's proper multi-time frame confluence. Check out this setup from yesterday. 4-hour showing quantum bull, 40-minute confirming bullish structure, and 3-minute flipping bullish right here. When you get alignment across your chosen timeframes like this, the probability of success goes way up. Now here's where things get really powerful. Using TrendScore alongside signal wave for advanced trade filtering. Signal wave is designed for trend confirmation on higher time frames, giving you those buy and sell signals to confirm overall direction. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's say signal wave is showing a buy signal, confirming bullish trend, and your entry conditions are met. Everything looks textbook, but check TrendScore. If it's showing weak trend quality or sitting in neutral territory, that's the market telling you something important about the actual strength behind that trend. Here's a hidden mind trap that catches a lot of traders. Signal wave might be showing bullish trend confirmation, but TrendScore is actually showing bearish strength. This divergence is telling you that even though the overall trend direction looks bullish, the momentum quality is actually deteriorating. That's a setup you want to avoid. But when both are aligned, signal wave confirming bullish trend with buy signals and TrendScore showing high quality bullish momentum, that's when you know you're trading with real edge, not just hoping for the best. Let me show you how this actually works in live markets. Starting with ES futures using our example time frame setup. Here's last week's action. 4-hour trend score was showing neutral to weak bearish readings. Even if signal wave was showing buy signals on higher time frames, trend score was telling you the trend quality wasn't there. Probably better to stay away. Then we get this inflection point. Notice how trend score builds momentum across all time frames. 4-hour shifts bullish, 40-minute confirms, and 3-minute gives you the precise entry. When this aligns with signal waves trend confirmation, that's systematic trend following. NQ follows similar patterns, but with way higher volatility since it's tech. Your intermediate time frame becomes even more valuable here because it helps you navigate the choppiness that tech is famous for. This is exactly why you need both working together: trend direction and momentum quality measurement. Look, I've seen way too many good traders take every single signal that comes their way and slowly bleed their accounts dry. TrendScore helps you be more selective about which setups you actually take. When TrendScore is in neutral territory, even if signal wave is giving you trend confirmation signals, that's telling you to sit this one out. The trend quality just isn't there for a high probability trade. The efficiency ratio becomes even more valuable when you're using it with signal wave. High efficiency plus signal wave buy or sell confirmation, that's where you can be more aggressive with size. Low efficiency, even with signal wave signals, scale way down or just stay flat. Bottom line, TrendScore gives you trend quality measurement that works perfectly alongside signal wave's trend confirmation signals. Stop taking every signal and start filtering for those high conviction moves that actually pay consistently. This multi-time frame approach with quality filtering helps you think about markets more systematically. You can adapt the timeframes to your style, but you always get macro structure, intermediate confirmation, micro timing, and quality assessment all working together. If you don't have access to TrendScore yet, head over to our website, links in the description. Drop a comment with what timeframe combination you're planning to test with your signal wave setups, and if this helped level up your approach, hit that like button. More advanced indicator combinations coming next week.